Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is inconvenient. It is pronounced in-con-ve-nient, and it is spelt I-N-C-O-N-V-E-N-I-E-N-T. Think in, con, then, and then ient. Inconvenient means something that is not well timed, something that is not easy or comfortable to deal with. It's a way to describe something that is not well suited to one's needs or comfort. For example, you could say, the rain pouring from the angry clouds above made it inconvenient to walk home. Or, the change in plan was inconvenient for everyone. The word inconvenient comes from the Latin word inconvenientem, which means not suitable. Today, the word also refers to something that is not suitable because it is not quite right, whether it be at the wrong time, place, or something else. In a series of unfortunate events by Lemony Snicket, the orphans, Violet, Klaus, and Sonny, lose their parents and are placed with many different relatives and guardians. However, with each one, just as they are settling in and beginning to feel at home, everything goes wrong, hence a series of unfortunate events. And with inconvenient timing, they are forced to leave. How unfortunate and inconvenient. Synonyms for inconvenient are troublesome, awkward, difficult, and uncomfortable. Antonyms for inconvenient include convenient, easy, and comfortable. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Inconvenient. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.